Well, the first thing we would advise someone to do who has a loved one in a nursing home is pay attention to the surroundings, pay attention to the condition of their loved one. And if they don't like something or don't think something is right, bring it to the attention of the staff. If the staff being the nurses who are in charge of taking care of their loved one, and the orderlies that are there. I mean, there are nurses aides, there are nurses assistants. So there's a whole cadre of people who are in charge of providing the care for their loved one. And the first thing is talk to them and see what's going on and gather information and make notes of that conversation. And if that doesn't get results, then I would go to the administrator of the nursing home and set up a meeting and have a meeting with the administrator and discuss my concerns. If that doesn't work, there's a state agency that oversees nursing homes, and they will be more than happy to investigate any complaint, as long as it's a legitimate complaint that you might have about the nursing home. And if all of those things fail, we'll file suit for you.